Morristown traffic, Skylane 9018 Romeo Romeo, preparing for departure at Castle Air Park in Morristown. Going to be departing 74, crossing 74 in US 60 to the south. Any traffic in the Morristown area, please rise. Ready? 4. To the right down in front. Almost down there. Traffic connect 68 over 15 miles to the north of the field with the highway. Wickenburg traffic, Skylane 9018 Romeo Romeo. We just departed Morristown. We're about 11, 12 miles to the east of Wickenburg Airport at 2,500 feet. We're going to be climbing to about 5,500 feet. Going to be overflying Wickenburg Medfield, Wickenburg traffic. Wickenburg traffic, line 8251 Charlie, turning right base 1823 for touch and go Wickenburg traffic. Wickenburg traffic, Skylane 9018 Romeo Romeo. About 8 miles to the southeast, 3,500 feet, climbing to